Good day everyone. Ang i-report ko po ay image dimensions and file size. So, overview. To explain the significance of image dimensions and file size in web design. Definitions of pixels and resolutions. Strategies for image optimization and conclusion key. First is introduction to pixels and resolution. What is pixels? The smallest element of light or color on a display. Pixels are organized in a row and columns to create images. Screen resolutions. The clarity of an image measured in pixels. Example 1366 by 768. Higher resolution is equal to sharper images. Next is understanding file size. What is file size? The amount of digital space a file occupies, measured in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, or KB, MB, or GB. Impact on web performance is larger file size can slow down web page loading time. User expectation. Fast loading times are crucial for user satisfaction. Next naman po ay choosing the right file format. Common file formats ay JPG, GIF, and PNG. Next is file size consideration. Detailed images, example JPG, versus simplifier graphics, example GIF. And optimization techniques. Use image editors to reduce file size while maintaining quality. Next naman po ay image optimization strategies. First is the process of reducing a file size while maintaining acceptable quality for faster loading time on the web. Methods to optimize images. Crop images to remove unnecessary parts. Next is resize dimensions for web uses. Adjust quality settings to balance size and clarity. Next is convert to appropriate file formats. And always keep a copy of original high quality images. Conclusion key. Balance image dimension with file size for optimal web performance. So, sa madaling salita po, ang tamang balanse sa pagitan ng dimension ng imahe at ang laki ng file po ay makakatulong upang mapanatili ang magandang quality at papabilis ng pag-load ng web page. Ito po ay mahalaga para magandang experience o paggamit sa isang website po. Next is regularly optimize images to enhance loading times and user experience. And that's all. Thank you.